The gift of the hard times is that you gain proof of who you are and the power to tell that story. And the greatest power is not just in the money. It's in the experiences that you had. Kaya nga daling hanapin kung sino yung mga taong fake eh. Because these fake people will only talk about money and how to make money and a lot of it, you know? Just to sell you a product. But the question is, na-experience ba talaga nila yung tinuturo nila? Kasi kung titingnan nyo yung mga totoong mayayaman, ano yung common? Laging may kwento ng sobrang bigat na pinagdaanan nila. Because the real value is in the failure. Ang learning nasa bigat ng pinagdaanan mo sa buhay. Your identity is not just attached to the money that you have right now. Your identity is beyond that. Is in the challenges na nalampasan mo. It's in the struggles na nalampasan mo.